As COVID cases surge in Japan, the government has declared a 2-week emergency, and this is ahead of the Olympics. Tokyo is still preparing to host the Showpiece global event despite protests, despite criticism. And now there will be no fans that are allowed for the entire Olympic event.
Despite protests and criticism round the globe, Tokyo is preparing itself to host the Olympic Games that are scheduled to begin 2 weeks from now. Japan's capital city has been decked up for the Showpiece global event. But even as the city gears up for the world's biggest sporting spectacle, COVID cases are on the rise. A state of emergency has been declared in Tokyo that will run through the duration of the Olympics. The worsening situation means the Games will be robbed of all the pomp with no spectators allowed for the events now. Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga said it was essential to prevent Tokyo, where the highly infectious Delta COVID-19 variant was spreading, from becoming the source of another wave of infections.
重症者の数や病床の利用率は低い水準にとどまっておりますが、変異株の影響を考慮し、再び全国への感染拡大を波及させないためにも対策を強化する必要があります。こうした状況を踏まえ、緊急事態宣言を東京都を対象に発出し、また沖縄県については延長することとし、期間を8月22日までとすること。
The organizers have also laid down strict rules for testing as well as movement of athletes. Over 500 participants and officials have already arrived in Tokyo to participate in the Games.
It's very difficult. I think it is difficult to hold it.
東京オリンピックに命がけで練習してきた選手もいると思うので、開催した方がいいと思います。
The new 68,000 capacity Japan National Stadium, the main venue for the Olympics, will host some of the major events, including the opening and closing ceremonies. The stadium is currently undergoing last-minute preparations before it hosts the opening ceremony for the Olympics scheduled for 23rd of this month.
This is one of the major stadiums that is going to host some of the most important events, including the opening and the closing ceremonies. And the preparations are on full swing here, as you can see behind me. On the other hand, almost 500 athletes and officials have already arrived in Tokyo to participate in the Summer Games. And the health experts have warned of a possible fifth wave during the Tokyo Olympics. This is Paulami Burman from Tokyo for India Today.